So we just moved into our new apartment yesterday, and I wanted to film this semi-empty apartment tour just to show you the layout before we start filling it with a bunch of stuff. I'm so excited. When you first walk in, this is what you see, this really long hallway, and on the walls there is this beautiful molding, just adds so much character. This also came with the apartment, so all of our light fixtures are kind of this like really glamorous chandelier style. All right, so this is the dining room space, and we have these beautiful windows. This is what made me fall in love with this apartment. It has this really gorgeous arch, and I don't really see that often. And then if you look down, this is the floor, and it is absolutely stunning. They have like this geometric pattern and this like framing that goes all around. It's stunning. There is like a little pocket where the kitchen is. It's pretty tiny. We already started to fill the cabinets with essentials, but this is just temporary. So it's not a ton of like counter space, so we're gonna have to like rework something, maybe add a really tiny island to make it more functional. And then the cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling, which I'm gonna have to get a ladder for sure. I absolutely love the little details this house has. This like drop zone for your keys. There is this really cute ironing board so you can pull it down. I love that, it's so charming. Let's make our way to the living room now, which is just off the dining space. So this is the living room space. It is a pretty big, it's pretty big. And I found this couch for an insane deal on Facebook Marketplace. It was $400. The seller said it was practically new. She put a new slipcover on it, and so no one sat on it. This coffee table is just a temporary thing. We found this on the side of the road. It's a standing desk. So we're just using it as a coffee table for now. You can see the gorgeous windows again, here and here. There's just so much natural light that comes in. Over on this space, we have the same molding that you see throughout the entire apartment. And we have these really nice heaters with this like nice cover. I don't really see that often either. Okay, let's walk back to the bedroom next to the front entry. So over here we have the bathroom. The bathroom has this really cool pink tile. Kind of reminds me of like a Barbie dream house bathroom. This is the only bathroom in the house, but it's nice because we have a bathtub and a separate shower here. So right next to the front door, we have the bedroom over here. So this is the bedroom. We have a lovely air mattress for now, till we get a bed. These curtains actually came with the apartment as well, so I'm gonna replace these. For here, this is like our only closet. I'm not gonna show you it because it looks like a mess right now. Okay, so that's it for my empty apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to follow along as I decorate the space. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!